Hello, and welcome to the Beginner's Guide on how to invest in cryptocurrency. Today, we will walk you through the fundamental steps to get started with cryptocurrency investment. Educate yourself before diving into the world of cryptocurrency. It's crucial to educate yourself about how it works, the different types of cryptocurrencies, and the blockchain technology behind them. Familiarize yourself with popular cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, BTC, Ethereum, ETH, and others. Assess your risk tolerance. Cryptocurrency investment can be volatile, and prices can fluctuate significantly. Assess your risk tolerance and decide how much you are willing to invest without causing financial strain. Never invest money you can't afford to lose. Choose a reputable exchange. Selecting a reliable and secure cryptocurrency exchange is crucial. Research popular exchanges and consider factors like security features, fees, available cryptocurrencies, and user reviews. Some well-known exchanges are Coinbase, Binance, and Kraken. Set up your account. Once you've chosen an exchange, create an account by providing the necessary information and completing any required verification processes, KYC, AML. Enable two-factor authentication, 2FA, to enhance the security of your account. Enable two-factor authentication, 2FA, using your mobile device or an authenticator app. Choose your cryptocurrencies based on your research. Select the cryptocurrencies you want to invest in. Consider factors like their technology, use case, team, and community support. Create a diversified portfolio. Diversify your investment across multiple cryptocurrencies to spread risk. Avoid putting all your funds into a single asset. Secure your cryptocurrencies. After purchasing cryptocurrencies, transfer them to a secure wallet. Hardware wallets like Ledger or Trezor are considered the safest options for long-term storage. Stay informed. Stay up to date with the latest news and developments in the cryptocurrency space. Follow reputable sources, join online communities, and engage in discussions to enhance your knowledge. Set investment goals and strategies. Define your investment goals, whether it's long-term hodling, short-term trading, or a mix of both. Stick to a disciplined investment strategy and avoid making impulsive decisions based on market emotions. Be prepared for volatility. Cryptocurrency markets are highly volatile. Be mentally prepared for significant price swings and avoid panic selling during downturns. Only invest what you understand. Avoid investing in projects or cryptocurrencies you don't fully understand. Conduct thorough research before committing your funds. Congratulations! You now have a basic understanding of how to invest in cryptocurrency. Remember to invest responsibly, stay informed, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. Happy investing!